everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a variation of the time step called the Pendulum Time Step. So this one's a fun one to do. The one step that I would recommend learning first and knowing well before you begin, this one would be the triple time step. So you can find the triple time step, my tutorial on it, in my description box below under my time steps playlist, and you can find all of my time steps under there, and I recommend learning the triple time step for this one. So let's get started here. So you're going to start with a stomp. With this pendulum time step, I like to angle my body toward the corner of the floor that I am working on. So if I'm starting with my right foot, I'm going to angle my body toward the left side because I want to go opposite of the foot that I'm starting with, okay? So you're going to start with a stomp on your right foot. You're going to spank, hop. So you're going to lift this front toe here, your right toe, spank, hop, left. You're going to brush forward with that right foot, hop again on your left. And then you're going to go one more time, brush back now on your right, hop, left foot again. Okay, so pretty much it's a pendulum. You want to think about swinging your right foot forward or back, forward, and then back again. So starting with your right foot, you stomp, spank, hop, brush forward, hop, brush back, hop, and then here's where you're going to use the triple time step. With your right foot, you're going to stomp back in that left corner. You're going to do your triple time step on your right foot. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step. Now you're going to angle your body towards the right because we're switching to the left. So with that triple time step here, especially with that flap step, you're going to angle your body more towards the right. Okay? And then from here, this is where you start left foot. So now you're going to go stomp, spank, hop, brush forward, hop, brush backward, hop, and then the triple time step. Going back to angle your body to the left side. Okay, let me just push my board back here. Okay, so again, starting on your right foot, you have stomp, spank, hop, brush, triple time step. Now left side, spank, hop, brush, hop, stomp, triple time step. Again, right, triple time step. Last time here, left. Good. It's a little bit hard to do slow because you have to really balance. Once you get it faster, it's a little bit easier and you don't have to exaggerate the pendulum movements as much. So let's try it a little bit faster here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Last one. Good. And let's try it a little bit faster just for those that are a little bit more advanced here. Faster here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So the rhythm you want to think about is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and a 7 and 8. Okay. So it's a full 8 count, and you want to think about getting a nice pendulum swing in whichever foot is the one that is doing the stomping. So if it's on the right foot, getting a nice pendulum swing, swinging your leg back and forth. Okay, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.